Well, here we are. We having a blizzard. Started snowing yesterday morning around 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's supposed to go all the way to tomorrow. Of course, I got stuck on the driveway. There's my car. And I got a big truck, 4x4. That's how bad it is. And I'm just recording from my porch. It's really, really bad. I don't know if you guys can see. So here comes the car. Let's see. I mean, it's bad. People should not even be out there. I even got snow inside my porch. That's the front. Ooh. We got so far, but how much snow we got so far? About a foot. About a foot and a half. You see, let me see if I could bring you guys closer. Let me bring you up here. That right there is the church. That's the main entrance. The snow is pretty high. See it right there? So look at the roof of the church and look at the church. It's almost black, so see it? It's really bad. See the door? Yep. Let me see if I could open the door for you guys. The wind is howling out here. See that? That's how bad it is. Oh. It's raining. Ooh, the wind is moving my phone. So yeah, guys, that's what we got. We're supposed to get 24 inches. All right, this is David saying to the next one. Bye, guys.